All right, thank you, Kalina. Well, the big weather story this morning, we are nearing both peak winds and high surf along our coast.
SoCal News reporter Rick Montanez is live in Redondo Beach, where he has seen a lot of both this morning. So, Rick, what is it like out there now that the sun has come up?
It is blustery out here, I can tell you, ladies, this morning. Cold, and of course, we're keeping an eye on the surf, which you could see looking toward Ranchos Palos Verdes. I mean, the waves are really crashing this morning. They have been all morning long since we got out here around 5 o'clock this morning. You can hear it even just approaching. I mean, we usually hear the ocean as you drive up to the beach, but really you can hear those waves crashing today. But also where we want to watch is the Redondo Beach Pier just next to us here, because the waves have really been coming in pretty strong. And as we were hearing, of course, high tide is not until the 8 o'clock hour, so we'll see how that plays out. But there's a chance for some coastal flooding and some damage from these waves. But it is also the wind. Watch this. So this was around 5 this morning. I mean, you could see those winds really just whipping up, strong winds. We were measuring on a digital anemometer about 20 to 30 mile per hour sustained wind. So that's why you see the flags blowing really hard, the trees just dancing around in those strong winds. And of course, some street signs also blowing around. We also saw some debris in the road. So if you're heading out this morning, just know that there's a chance you'll run into some of that out on the roads. And then as Kalina was talking about, the high profile vehicles in our news van, we were feeling the wind rocking just in the parking lot too. And then of course, driving was difficult making our way here to the assignment, just because you could feel those really strong gusty and even strong sustained winds. Right now, the winds are pretty calm, died down much considerably from what we saw in the 5 o'clock hour, but it is still windy. We've noticed it started to pick up a little bit in the last 20 minutes or so. So we're keeping an eye on this because it's expected to stay with us through the morning. So again, the surf, the wind, all factors that we have to pay attention to this morning. Reporting live in Redondo Beach, Rick Montanez, SoCal News.
Yeah, there is a lot we need to watch, Rick. Thank you so much.